Hey guys, Baratus here, and welcome back to Forever Stranded. So in the last recording, we worked on our dirt production to try and get us closer to that 100,000 milestone for the Dirty Collection quest. It hasn't been running for too long since then, but it's up to 47k, so it is increasing at a greater speed than it has in the past. So our work last time has had an effect. But today, I would like to do some changes around our base to the power generation. So the plan is to reroute this HV wire so that it all goes into the capacitor banks. We're then going to increase the size of the reactor by 2, I believe. I believe it's now a 15 by 5 or 15 by 7. And we're going to increase it to a 17, which is, from what I've read, the optimal size. And then fill in 2 more rows of blades, I think it is, to give this the maximum of 80. And yeah, so that'll output more power then, and we'll have it run into the battery. And then we're going to run these HV or Ender energy conduits directly to this from the battery rather than using the HV wires. And we're probably going to have to run 3 lines. So I think so this has a wither in it at the moment. If we were to take the Mass 3 upgrade and throw it on here, power consumption goes up to 33,000 a tick. Is that the most we would want? Yeah, we could also do XP, but the efficiency is probably better. So maybe it will be fine with just the 2. My only concern is that when we get the Ender Dragon in here, it's going to need even more than the up to 40,000 that we can get from having 2 lines of Ender conduits. But we'll see how we go. I might up to 3. We'll see. But yeah, it's going to run under the base, under the ground, up to here. And then I think we're going to set up a little output here for the EU power from Industrial Craft. And then we'll run some cables over to here so that we don't have to use this P2P tunnel, which keeps failing randomly. And I'm not happy about it failing all the time. I don't want to have to keep keeping an eye on it. So to get that started, I'm going to knock out this part of the wall. I think if we keep... Yeah, here we go. So here's the part of the capacitor bank. If we grab some vibrant capacitors that I had building earlier, we can fill that in like that. And then... actually, we don't need to have that there, but it's fine. I want to see where this actually comes out. Okay, let's have a look from inside. Okay, so that's there. Right, okay. So currently power is entering here from there. So yeah, let's reroute this a little bit. So I'm going to have this go... Let's see, that's where the fiber cable will go up and along. So if we could run this under this black cable, maybe through the black cable, yeah. Let's get some conduit. Conduit. Oh, didn't want to do that. Right, and get our Certus Quartz wrench. So we'll run him through here. Yeah, we'll do it this way. think this is going to work. I'll take you out there. We also need to take you out of there. And then the rest of this should be fine. You become one of these. You go through there. Damn it. Through there. Oh, this is really lagging me too. To there. Okay. Yeah, sorry about the frame rate, guys. I don't know what else I can do to try and make it better, but it's pretty bad. Okay, so you're gonna go to there and go up, so then we just need to connect to there. I think that's okay connecting to that. Yeah, it should be fine. Okay, so then if we go around to here, have him there. Let's replace this guy here. Okay, now we need some special new wires. But first, let's... how do we want to do this? Probably take down this guy. Pick up all of these. And all of these guys. That we'll clean the downstairs bit later. The one part we will do though is just place those guys there. Yeah. There and there. Do I have any grass? Okay. Good. Now, break you. Get our engineer's hammer. Take that one away. We're going to replace it with this one. Hopefully that works. We might have to move. We have to add a little bit more fiber cable, but that's fine. And then it's going to have a max range of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, roughly. That should be fine. And I think that'll get us enough to get over to here. Yeah, you hear that? It sounds like they're dying again, so I'd say they've got no power. Give me this guy. Pick you up. Alright, and now we need to make some special wire connectors. So wire, cannot spell today. Wire. Glass fiber wire. Does that... oh no, does that not have a recipe? Check the engineer's manual for recipe details. Okay, what about these guys? Tin, copper, glass fiber connector, glass fiber and rubber, glass fiber relay, 2 of them, connectors, 4 of them. Right, so how do we make the wire coil? We'll have to get our book and check. So yeah, hopefully we can make these. Okay, engineer, industrial wires. Allow you to transfer energy like you can with Industrial Craft 2 cables. Much EU is the corresponding cable. Different from the US wire. and that longer connections use up more wire. The coils are crafted by placing any combination of uninsulated IC2 cables and the corresponding wire coil in a crafting grid. Aha. I see. So if we do... Oh, okay. And that gets us 9 blocks of wire length. Interesting. Nine blocks of wire length. So then do they combine to get 18 blocks of length? Okay. That is very interesting. So, can we connect this guy to... Let's do him on the bottom here. Oh no, we don't want HV relay, we want glass fiber relay and glass fiber connector. Okay, and that used 3 blocks worth. Oh. Okay, that bugged out pretty quickly. And we lost the cable. Oh, that's really annoying. That's still got a spot on it. I wonder if we can just connect it to the top then. So will that work? Oh, it does. Oh, but it immediately bugs out. Oh, man, this might not end up working. Not enough wire for the connection, and then it immediately bugs out. Oh no, that sucks. Like, are these still connected? They don't appear to be. Oh man. I guess all we can do is try it and see. Alright, 47 blocks of wire cable. So you to you. It's weird. Like, making the connection seems to fix it temporarily. To you. Alright. So you're connected, and then you're connected. And then it immediately breaks, and we've already gone through a bunch of cable. I'm guessing that is not working and we don't have power here. No, they're stalling out. Damn it. Alright, well, it's really crappy, but I guess we just do it the hard way. And that's just what we get for having to mess with Industrial Craft, I guess. I guess I could set up like a HV converter here, but nah. That's really disappointing. I don't suppose there's a way for me to turn this back into regular wire either. No. Ah, well. We learnt something, I guess. Turn that off. I might leave that there just as an extra connection. So let's run this down here. Okay, so that's going to drop us in here. So we're potentially going to have 3 of these conduits running along here some distance. So maybe we'll keep it over here. Is that finished? Just about. Alright. So we'll just run this along and directly connect it. Because what else can we do, really? Industrial craft wires at their best. Okay. They're even messing with the lighting. That's really weird. How are we going to connect to here? Guess if we grab you... we'll put you... Oh man, my frame rate. It's so bad. Put you there. Oh, that's because every time we cut that wire, we're losing the P2P network. That's why that's lagging so badly. Well, that's part of why it's lagging so badly. So actually we can get rid of you. Because we're going to connect here. Alright. Oh, this lag is so bad. Get down and... how do we do this? Probably down twice there. It's going to get a bit spaghetti again, but that's what happens because we got to get this wire here. Alright. That sucks, but... Alright, it's connected. It's fine now. So if we get over here... Interesting, they're still stalling out a little bit. Yeah, so there may have been more to it than just the P2P tunnel messing up. Ah, I thought this might happen. Okay. So we're actually running out of power in the MFSU. So that means these are outputting, I think the glass fiber cables, well, it's 8,192, but the MFSU is outputting 2,048. Whereas this is only generating 512, so we need another 3 of these high energy converters to be able to match the rate this is outputting. So we can do that pretty easily, I think. Converter, high energy converter, HV transformer. I should teach it how to autocraft these. I might do that later, just because it's a real pain in the neck to get that all crafted. Instead, let's finish up what I was actually planning to do today. So we want to take down this wire. We want to knock that down so that it's not a spawning spot. And now here, we want to change this slightly. So the issue is that's the inside wall. So to make this work, we might break those. And then we're going to fill this out along here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and we can go higher if we need to. Yeah. All right. So here's the plan. We're going to replace these. Maybe not the bottom ones. Let's leave those. But yeah, we're going to replace all of these with capacitors. Okay, and then is this 16? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh, it is. It's just slightly too far. Which means... how do we want to do this? Let's put this guy like here. Sit in between there, so we'll do like this. That. HV wire relay. There. And then we're going to do the 8 connectors along here. We might do 9 just so it's even. Basically, the number of connectors here is going to match the number of connectors over there. So there to there, there to there, whatever. There, 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 there. And just connect all of these up so that it'll be a direct transfer into the battery. Not that we need to run it right now because we have a pretty good supply in the battery at the moment, but at least it'll be hooked up and ready. Oh, so actually the issue is we actually need to change this, unfortunately.